Do we say hello?
You can say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
What makes someone a hero? Is it a selfless act? A giant leap of bravery? Sometimes it's just the willingness to help others. Dr. Carl June is a medical hero. He is a man who, through his work, has saved the lives of countless individuals. Cancer is a terrifying, deadly, seemingly inescapable disease that wreaks physical and emotional havoc on sufferers and their loved ones. Carl June is a pioneer in bringing the fight against cancer a huge step forward. A professor of immunology at the University of Pennsylvania, Dr. June is a heavyweight in the field of medicine. June has published more than 350 manuscripts and has received numerous prizes and awards, including the election to the Institute of Medicine in 2012, the William B. Coley Award, the Philadelphia Award, and the Novartis Immunology Award for cancer cell therapy development. He was elected to the American Academy of Arts and Sciences in 2014. In 2017, he was named a Fellow of the American Association for Cancer Research Academy and received the David A. Komofsky Memorial Award for the American Society of Clinical Oncology. June is a graduate of the U.S. Naval Academy, as well as Baylor College of Medicine in Houston. He received graduate training in immunology at the World Health Organization in Geneva, Switzerland, and postdoctoral training in transplantation biology at the Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center. Dr. June developed a treatment known as CAR T therapy, a form of gene therapy that aids in the healing of not only cancer, but also HIV. It is the first FDA-approved personalized cellular therapy for cancer. Clinical trials began at the University of Pennsylvania in 2010, and 2 of the first 3 leukemia patients that underwent the trials remain in remission today, nearly 8 years later. CAR T therapy uses the bone marrow of a donor with a new set of T cells that can identify and attack leukemia or HIV cells in the patient. When asked about the significance of T cells in cancer research, Dr. June said the following: "The public learned about T cells when they were brought to light with HIV. The HIV virus kills CD4 helper T cells. When that happens, the immune system fails to work and people get overwhelming infections. Another type of T cell is called the killer Cd8 cell. These cells can find and kill cells that have viruses infecting them and can kill tumor cells. They're a form of white blood cell. T cells can be found in blood and lymph nodes, and they're made in our thymus. When you're an adult, you have a population of T cells that give you your immune memory for a lifetime. So, if you received a vaccine for varicella, for instance, you will have T cells that will protect you for life against the chickenpox. So that makes these killer T cells attractive for gene therapy, because they can last lifelong. So if you can make T cells become cancer specific, then the potential is that the patient will have lifelong protection because the T cells are long-lived cells." The practice and discovery are revolutionary. He was added to Time's list of most influential people for the immense good he has done for the world through modern medicine. And this is just the start. So many more types of therapy can be created from this CAR T discovery. And thanks to people like Dr. Carl June, we are one step closer to living in a world that is both cancer and HIV free. Thank you.